Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 25th of August. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Still coughing a bit here. As many of you know, I was sick with COVID last week, and it's still hard to kind of talk for extended amounts of time. So if you hear me kind of being a little more measured in this, that is why. We've got the sunshine today, temperatures in the upper 70s. As we head for tonight, mostly clear. 50s in the suburbs. As we head down towards Boston or into Boston, it'll be in the 60s. Wednesday, sunshine, low to mid 80s. Thursday, the humidity creeps back in. Temperature up near or a little above 80. Maybe a shower in the afternoon, but more likely Thursday night or perhaps even Friday, there could be a shower. We're going to stay in the 60s to low 70s Thursday night with the higher humidity. Then a front comes through and will drop humidity back for the weekend. Right now, Saturday and Sunday, sunshine, temperatures in the low to mid 80s. So all in all, looks pretty good over the next week or so. That small exception for a few showers, but some great beach weather if that is something that you have not done yet. Certainly some opportunities here over the next week. Have a great morning, everybody.